Okay, I just woke up. Udang is life, but coffee is lifer. Finally after 2 months may bago na naman siyang mag-unfurl. Alam niyo naman lately yung issue with the views dun sa main channel ko. So lately, I started taking on projects. Pero mapili pa rin ako sa projects na pinipili ko. And I only go with brands that are legit and ako mismo personally ginagamit ko. So I only work with brands that I can genuinely feel happy doing content for. With my experience with another secured credit card with another bank, actually, yung Maya Black Express is not so bad at all. Yung studio for today's content. Meron tayong mga collab projects with brands that are reputable. So right now, nagpe-prepare pala ako ng for a video that I am making para sa kay Maya. But that is for a Facebook Reel This video it's not sponsored. It is based on my personal experience. But today, speaking of Maya, I want to talk about yung Maya Black Express, yung credit card niya. So itong si Maya, meron na siyang dalawang credit card, di ba? Yung isa, yung Landers na credit card, which hindi po ako approved doon. And yung isa, si Maya Black Express, yun yung meron ako. Pero it's not like, unfortunately, nung in-applyan ko siya, I had to make a deposit. So, doon ako napadpad sa Maya Black Express. Para siyang secured credit card. Nag-require siya sa akin ng deposit na 20,000 pesos. And in return, ma-approve ka with no additional documentation. And sa 20,000 pesos na yan, na deposit mo, yung magiging credit limit mo is 16,000 pesos. Nagmumukha na akong tao, guys. Walang tikwas. Charot lang. Alam nyo guys, may mga nagbabash pala sa akin na ang laki pala ng bahay mo, bakit ka umuutang sa Ola? Well, I really don't need to explain that. But, yung mga nagsasabi nun is, yun, ngayon lang talaga kasi yung nakikita nila, whatever is ngayon. They have not been following my channel since before. And having all this, whatever nakikita nyo ngayon sa akin, would never be possible kung wala akong na-learn sa pag-uutang. And even this house is utang, guys, which would never be possible if hindi ko na-learn yung mga na-learn ko dati. And I will share that in another vlog. Anyways, nasa sidetrack tayo. I want to talk about Maya Black Express. Yung nagsi-secured credit card ka, para mong ginisa yung sarili mo sa sarili mong mantika. But, with my experience with another secured credit card with another bank, actually, yung Maya Black Express is not so bad at all. Pinagpawisan naman ako sa sobrang init. Ang init pag nagpa-plancha ka ng hair.
Coffee free.
Wow. Ipakita ang coffee kaya ayaw kong pakita yung boxers mo. So today guys, order na muna ako ng coffee kasi napagod ako. Ako kasi yung naghugas ng pinggan sa baba. And ako rin yung nagluto ng breakfast namin. Ito na nga siya guys, yung Maya Black. Tinakpan ko lang pala ng packing tape yung pangalan for privacy and security purposes. But hindi po kita yung details mo sa card, which is one good feature that I like about this card. So your details like your CVV, your card number, your other things about this card is nasa app mismo, and you can freeze or unfreeze your card for extra security. I was skeptic at first kung widely accepted ba to, but it's actually accepted just like any regular credit card sa that we're familiar with. Nagagamit ko siya where Visa transactions are accepted and also online transactions because I use it to pay my postpaid bill. So, what I like about that is that yung 20,000 na deposit ko sa kanya is still on hold. It's been a year na gumagamit ako ng Maya, but it's on hold pa rin yung deposit ko sa kanya. But from 16,000 pesos, tinaas niya na to 20,000 yung credit limit ko without asking for additional deposit o bongga. And doon naman sa 20,000 na deposit ko sa kanya, the good thing about it is, in 1 year, 500 pesos po yung na-earn na interest, which is much better compared with other banks. Kasi with my Metrobank nga, diba, nabanggit ko na before, I also had a secured credit card with Metrobank na after 3 years pala naging regular CC na siya. Yung Metrobank ko, every month, hindi nga umaabot ng 10 pesos yung interest niya ina-earn. Given na yung sa kay Metrobank is 35,000 pa nga yung dineposit, yung security deposit ko doon. Kay Maya, 20K lang. And I'm earning like 48 pesos every month. That's a big thing. Yun nga lang yung security deposit mo for the Maya Black Express, hindi po siya qualified sa 15% na boosted interest ni Maya. Nasa base lang siya na 3.5% per month. 3.5% per annum. So, yun lang. But it's still bigger than most banks kasi 20K, 48 pesos a month. Hindi naman siya life-changing. Like, yayaman ka ng dahil dyan. Pero at least, it's better than other banks. Not bad na rin. So, yun lang yung share ko. And so far, happy naman ako because every quarter, meron siyang free access sa mga lounge. And nung tinry ko siya one time sa NAIA Terminal 1 ba yun? Walang no fuss, diretso na. When I said, tinatanggap niyo ba yung Maya ko with the free free lounge access every sabi niya, yes. Wala nang ka-MM, yes na agad. So, you can check the app na lang for the lounges na kapartner ni Maya na pwede mong gamitan ng card mo. And yung miles, I'm just saving up the miles, hindi ko pa nagagamit yan. Okay na rin. So, those are the perks of having a credit card. And para hindi ka ma-charge ng inactivity fee, you just need to use it once every month. So, what I do is, yung postpaid ko sa Smart, doon ko na charge sa card ko. And, yun lang. And so far, well, depende naman yan sa tao. And as far as, and based on my experience, okay siyang gamitin. I've seen other people na nagkakaroon ng mas malaking credit limit, but it's always based on system assessment. So, now, before I end this video, paano magkaroon? Of course, you need to have a Maya Maya account. And Maya pwede siyang i-download sa Google Play Store or sa App Store. And kailangan mo ring upgraded yung Maya mo because yung basic na Maya, limited yung access. Tapos may limits sa transactions. So, with an upgraded Maya account, which means mag-verify ka ng information, you get access to savings and loans and credit cards. So, that's it. And you'll probably be required to submit other information based na yun sa, kasi pag click mo ng apply dun sa Maya Black Express, there are prompts, info na hihingin sa'yo, and good luck kung i-approve ka niya dun sa regular na Maya Black na without needing to deposit. Ang dami na rin na-approve sa ganun. And if ever doon ka man mapadpad sa Maya Black Express, don't worry about it. It's not as bad as what most people say it is on social media. So, positive experience and give it a try. Why not? And again, guys, this video is not sponsored. It's based on my personal experience. Gustong pag-usapan si Maya because I'm preparing for a video for Maya, which is actually a Facebook Reel. Kung hindi nyo pa ako follow sa social media page ko like TikTok and Facebook, meron tayong dinagdag na info dito. And kung hindi pa kayo subscribe kayo sa channel na to for other things na hindi siya like full-blown Ola review, mga ganap sa buhay ko, if you guys are interested. But for Ola reviews lang po, dun po kayo sa kabilang channel, which is Ate Red. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you on my next vlog. Magkakape lang ako, magme-makeup, and gagawa ng Facebook Reel para sa kay Maya Lending, personal loan, and Maya Credit.